I bring Ian in on that, then we'll go to the table on the back. Ian, if I bring you in, I might bring you in on them rather than the whatever, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. But you might not see the shots. You might not see the shots.
Yeah, okay.
I'll be talking.
Yeah.
Well, hi there, everyone. I'm Martin Tyler. This is Stamford Bridge. Bournemouth's second visit here this season. Chelsea knocked them out of the League Cup last month. But this evening's action against the backdrop of the transfer window, which actually closes under 90 minutes after the final whistle. And Chelsea have been doing some business. Olivier Giroud, strange to see him after so many years in Arsenal's colours in a Chelsea top. And Emerson, who's come from Roma, who's a left wing back and going to try and stiffen Chelsea's resolve in that particular department. Ian Daawo
Last year, given he hadn't had quite the backing, I did think when some of the suggestions who's going to sign the window, I thought they were bizarre and almost like a lack of support for the manager. So I think there's something going behind the scenes.
You were the only big striker who didn't get mentioned.